Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on my video here today. So we are going to do a quick little video. This is me basically cleaning, organizing, and then showing you a couple of things because as I'm going through my things and organizing everything that is my Bath and Body Works collection, I saw this and I was like, well, let me show them what I have from my car fragrance refills, like the clips and visor clips. This one here, which is the Ghost, the Halloween. I believe this one was last year. Look at how cute this one is. I really like this one. You know which one I misplaced, guys? I don't know where my this year's like skull that changes lights. You know, you push it and it has a light and it changes colors. I gotta find it, but I know I will basically as I'm putting everything in a place. And yeah, so I'll find it. And for those of you that watch me all the time, you guys will see it, okay? But if you don't, you won't. So anyways, this is the skull from last year. This is a visor clip and a vent clip, either way. This one is so cute, like reminds me of Dia de los Muertos. That's what this one reminds me of. So this one was from last year. That's cute. Let's see. Oh, another Halloween. This is a spider that looks just like this year's. I think the color might be different, right? I'm gonna really have to go back and look. But yeah, so this is last year's. Yeah, visor. It's also a visor or vent clip. Not all of them are. So now, like the newer ones, they're making into both. But here is a snowman. I don't remember what year these are from. Maybe last year. This little rose, it came around Mother's Day, I think, this past year, and it is so cute. Well, my mom's not driving that much. No, no, she's not. Anyways, so this is really cute, but maybe I'll still give it to her. I kept it in here. We have this marshmallow or s'mores. It's a s'mores, but I like this marshmallow. It is a marshmallow with the graham cracker and chocolate, but it is cute as well. Like, and you guys know I love pink, so all the pink ones right there. And then look at this doggy. Like, this is so cute. I love everything dog. Yes, I love dogs. So here's that one. The gingerbread, and this one is just a visor clip, which is the way I love to use it. I don't really use it as a vent, any of them as a vent clip. I've tried it before, and just when I, turn on my air or anything and I want to move it up and down and, just move it around, it's a little bit harder, so I don't like using it that way for that reason. And look at this little reindeer as well with the little fur around. This feels so soft. This is just a vent clip. And then we have, I've misplaced a lot of them as well. I've gifted some, but more so I feel like I've misplaced things. So we have here this dog, Christmas one. So yeah, vent. So anytime that it wasn't both, it's just vent, not vent, visor clip, visor. So here is this little, like, what is it? Like a mermaid, like, no, I don't know. Here. A fish. So here we have this one. Again, all visor clips. This bejeweled one. By the way, the ones I have in the car, I have a plain pink one, and then I have a pink one that's like a heart from Valentine's, and then I have three, and then I have a butterfly, a purple one that's in there. And then look at this one, the cloud, which I have this out because I was going through things and I was like, I didn't show you all my wallflowers. I have some in here that I didn't realize. So anyways, this is a cloud one, and I have a cloud wallflower in here. They came out, I believe, around the same time. And look at this bejeweled one. This is cute too. All clips or visor clips. And this is one I have bought, and this is the one I had tried as a vent clip and realized I don't really like it this way. I need to gift it to someone that will use it because I'm not going to use this one. I did use it. I did try it out, but just didn't like how I couldn't move up my my vents up and down. I think it was. I don't know. It was just a problem. So that's all that I have. If I end up finding more, I will show you guys. Clean with me basically, or organized. And then this one here. Now, I've told you guys I have to find a better way to store my wallflowers because this, I don't know what other one has made a mess. But you guys, let me see. You guys see that down there? Yeah, so I have to find a different way of storing them. What I'm trying to do right now is just use most of them. I'm going to gift some, do like some little gift sets, and I'm just going to dwindle down a lot of my collections in general. So yeah, because I'm trying to just be a little bit more organized. So here's this butterfly, the cutest little butterfly. I love this one. All these should fit in the other bin that I have these in. So yeah, I don't know why I didn't put them in there. I had them in here. Probably like just a quick way of putting them away. And then here's this tree. This one does not light up. So this is one that I had in this room, in Alex's room, because again, he doesn't like any light ups. Here's this rose. It's a recent one and it does light up. I really like this one. And then we have the heart. We have this heart here. I think I showed you guys a brand new one of these. So that's one of those that I could put in a little gift. And then here is the cloud that I was saying. I really, really love this cloud. The way it kind of has like a rainbow, not exactly rainbow, but it's like 3 different colors that go on the wall. It's very, very nice. To show you guys really quickly. So there it is. There's the little rainbow effect. So I really love that. So it is really pretty. Then we have this little Valentine one with the heart and envelope. Really like this one as well for Valentine's. This is the hummingbird. I had this one in the bathroom for a long time. I switched it out. Can't remember what I put in there. I'm pretty sure I said it in another video, but I can't remember right now. So we have the Paris little Eiffel Tower. This one is the cutest. I want them to bring this back. I have to clean these. A lot of you guys told me like alcohol wipes, or I think even the Clorox wipes. I haven't done any of the cleaning on these, but this is a favorite of mine. I hope that they bring this back because my sister actually wanted one of these, and yeah, she wants one of those. And again, this is a bad way of storing, so yeah, gotta find a better way to store these. So that is all. Very quick video that I have for you guys today. Just doing some more organizing. Again, still working on my candles. So I might bring you guys like a candle video tomorrow showing you guys some candles, because I'm bringing them down as I told you guys. But I'm not going to be able to do it all in one day because it's like back-breaking labor for me. Like it just hurts my back. But anyways, yeah, I will be showing you guys something like that tomorrow. But until the next one, my friends, I love you guys so much. Please stay blessed. Bye, guys.